Part 7. We are going to continue with measures of central tendency, and we are going to focus on the mean. You will find this on page 269 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. The mean. Consider the heights of grade 9 learners. This. Recall that in grade 8, if we are required to find the average height of the learners, we would divide the sum of the heights of the learners by the number of learners. In statistics, this average is called the mean and is given by, to find the mean, sum of data divided by the number of data. So the height of 6 students are this. Calculate the mean height of the learners. So I just add it up and I just divide it by 6. And I will get an answer of 1,59 meters. I want you to stop the video and I want you to do try now 8. You can continue with the video as soon as you are finished. The score of 10 students in mathematics tests are this. Find the mean score. Okay, so basically, if we're going to do this, to find the mean score, it's going to be the sum of the scores divided by the number of learners. And this is going to be 78 plus 55 plus 71 plus 64 plus 49 plus 87 plus 90 plus okay, I'm just going to see if I can move this up. Okay, let's just rewrite this again, because I think my space is not going to be enough. So I'm just going to rewrite this again and make the equal sign here. Okay, so this is going to, let's start again. 78 plus 55 plus 71 plus 64 plus 49 plus 87 plus 90 plus 55 plus 66 plus 70, and I'm going to divide this by, and now and this is 10 students, 10. And if I do this, I'm going to get an answer of 68.5. And this is going to be the mean of that different scores. Okay, let's look at the next one. Example 9. The mean of the four numbers 17x this. Find the value of x. They say the mean of the four numbers is 17. So remember, 17 is the mean. And the four numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start with the same formula. But now we just substitute in the place of the mean 20.5. And then we write the numbers. Okay. And then, okay, let's just read it again. The mean of the four numbers 17x, 23, and 29 is this. So let me just correct myself. This is the mean. Okay. So basically, I'm just going to substitute there 20.5. Then it's this plus this plus this, divide 4. And now I just solve the equation. Now, if you have a fraction over a fraction, or a number equals, or let's rather say it, one term equals one term, you cross multiply. So by doing this and adding that, you get this. And then to get x alone, you subtract 69 on both sides, and the value of x will be 13. What can you do to test it? You can put the 13 in there and then add it up and divide it by 4 and see if you get 20.5. Again, I want you to stop the video and I want you to do try now 9. Okay, the mean of three numbers, okay, this is the three numbers, is this. So let's just start again. Mean, we can just write it like this. And then it's actually just the sum of the numbers. And it's just divide by 3. Now, what is the mean? The mean is 47. What is the three numbers? It's 32 plus p plus 56, and I divide by 3. Put it over 1, cross multiply, and if I do this, 47 times 3 will be 141, and this will be 32 plus p plus 56. So to get the value of p, it's 141 minus 32 minus 56. And so therefore, the value of p will be 53. And again, you can say 32 plus 53 plus 56, divide by 3, and see if you come to 47. Okay. Now, let's continue. Finding the mean from frequency table. So there's my frequency table. So the age of a group of learners are shown in the following frequency table. So basically, so remember what it means actually. There's 5 learners with an age of 13. There's 8 learners with an age of 14. So I just want to show you, if you really write it out, it's going to be 13, 13, 13, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then it's going to be 14, and so on, okay. So again 8. So it's 5 and then continue. So basically, if I want to find now the mean, I must say 13 times 5, because there's 5 13s. I must say 14 times 8, 15 times 17, and 16 times 10. And then I must add it up, and then to find the total number of learners, I'm just going to add the frequency. So it's 5 plus this, plus this, plus this, and this will be equal to 40. Okay, so then I take just that multiplied, that products, and I divide it by 40, and I will find an answer of 14.8. Okay, I want you to stop the video, and I want you to do try now 10. You can continue with the video as soon as you are finished. Okay, let's start. Try now 10. So basically, in this one, if I want to find the mean, I will just multiply, and let's just see if it's going to, okay, I'm just going to make a long line, and then I'm going to start. So remember, I multiply this column. So I'm going to say 0 times 5 plus 1 times 12 plus 2 times 10 plus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 1. And then I'm going to just add it up. Now remember, I could have actually did it in the, but we can, okay, because I did not do it, I'm just going to say 5 plus 12 plus 10 plus 2 plus 1. So it's actually the second row, which is the total frequency. And that is going to bring me an answer to, okay, now if you multiply that, you are just going to say, let's just see, this will be 0 plus 12 plus 20 plus 6 plus 4, and I'm going to divide it by the total frequency, and that will be 30. So that will be 42 divided by 30, and it will be an answer of 1.4. So what will be the mean? 1.4. What must you remember in a table? Just remember to multiply, 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 and then divide by the total frequency.